Hello everyone. So this is a demo video of how to use UpTracker as an Upwork freelancer. So UpTracker is essentially a tool that's designed for Upwork freelancers that might not have the luxury of time to actually be on the platform to search for jobs, to search for gigs. So what this tool essentially does is to send you alerts based on your job filters as soon as the client posts them on Upwork. So I'll just get started with the demo now to show you how the tool works. So I'll click on get started. I have already created a demo account for this. So we have a free plan, we have a monthly plan and a yearly plan. So just click on start now with the free plan. And this is just a brief step by step guide of the process you should take to start receiving your alerts. So the first, you need to customize your job feed on Upwork, and then you copy your Upwork RSS URL, and then you enter your email, and you start receiving instant alerts. So what I will do now is I will go to my Upwork profile here. Sorry, let me just log in really quick. All right, so the next step, I would click on these three dots, and then I'll click on RSS. Then I'll copy this whole URL, come back to Tracker. So what I need to do is I need to enter the email I want to receive alert with. So I'll just enter this, paste. Okay, I already have it here, so I'll just click on this and send me alerts. So it says your 7-day free trial has started. Please return to dashboard and click on start alert to trigger your alerts. So I'll go back to dashboard. All right. So as we can see, we have the profile overview, the details, the alert status, and so many other information. So we can see these two buttons. They are self-descriptive. You click this to start the alert and this to stop the alert. So I'll just start the alert. So as you can see, our alert status is on. Let me go to the email which I entered. So this is the email I entered. So we just need to wait for about 5 minutes or so to start receiving our alerts. All right, as we can see, we've started receiving an alert from Upwork. So this is the title, the description, and every other details we have here. If I click on this link, it takes me directly to the job post